Hello and welcome to week 6 of Statistics 1. For week 6, there is no new information or content to cover, but we are going to take our first exam. So in order to do that, you go into week 6 exam 1 link. The first page was this video, and the second page is where the assignment is. You'll see that this is a 16-point assignment, so it's 4 times the weight of the homework assignments you've been handing in. Please read the directions here carefully. One big key difference between this assignment and all the previous is the fact that I would like you to complete this individually. You may use resources. You can use anything that's on Blackboard. You may use the text, and you may use previous posts on Slack. But no more new discussions on this assessment, please. To access it, you select this link. And because this is on an Excel file that is being saved on a Google folder, it looks like it's not downloading correctly. So what you want to do in order to access this is go up to where you have the 3 dots for more actions. That's if you don't have a download button up here already. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to select download. And then shortly on the bottom left, you'll see that the Excel file downloaded. I'm going to open that. It should say enabling editing. Select that so that now this is your document. I would recommend saving this immediately onto your files for anything that you do to it. You'll see along the bottom there are 3 tabs. It's opening up now in the Data tab. But let's go to the Directions and Prompts tab first. Basically, the entire assignment is on this sheet. There's directions up top. Anywhere that there are cells grayed in, meaning in gray, that's where you're going to enter responses, unless you have it somewhere else on this file. So for example, this is where you're going to put your name, the date, and so on. And all of the tasks are in order going top down on this page. And such. I do give on the bottom here directions on how to save this file. So for example, we want to go through the form of starting the file name off with your last name and then exam 1 and then date. I'll give you an example here for me. On the second tab, this is the data that is referenced throughout the exam. You may use all the different steps and tools that we've learned with the data analysis tool pack, and also with any of the charts and such. Feel free. If you need extra workspace, I just named this tab workspace, so it's an area that you can work. If you're somebody who likes to work on paper, that is fine also. I do encourage you to think about using Excel to make it easier for yourself, since the data points, each of them has close to 60 data points in each. So that would be a bear to do, calculate the standard deviation, for example, by hand. So I do not suggest that. But again, once you open this, you have a week to complete. It is due next Monday night, just as any other submissions have been. So good luck with it. Again, take your time. I will be responding and scoring the assignments that were due this past Monday, the end of week 5. I will complete them before Wednesday night so that you have feedback, if needed, on how you did with week 5's assignment. All right, good luck, and thank you very much.